And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. Today is goodie day. I got some new goodies, and most of the goodies I got are to help me fix some of the goodies I'm fixing. So, excuse me, it's not COVID. But yeah, I got a couple things. I'll point the camera down to the bench and we'll get on with the show. So, hold your hats and stay buckled. Alright, let me see this good camera. My camera's crooked again. Crookedy. Nobody's gonna notice. Right, there we go. Let's hold your eyes. Alright folks, I don't know if you can see this. Let me just move it back. What I got today is I went and put an extra long thing here. I should take it off, but I picked this up at Horror Freight. It is an air file, which I probably should take that off because this thing doesn't work, but it's got a little adjustable max air, I don't know, whatever. Christ. But yeah, I bought an air file for 15 bucks. It was on liquidation. Can't go wrong with that, right? Let me take this thing off. I want to pause it for a second. Alright folks, back to what I was saying is I bought an air file for $15. That air file. If you look real quick, it says air rifle, but really it says air file. But yeah, I'll plug it in, I'll show you. I haven't even tested it. I don't even know what the hell. Yeah, of course it's leaking air now. Yeah, okay, that's off. That's on. You move the hose here. Let's grab a piece of metal and see what this thing does. Yeah, of course I don't have it all set up for this fancy thing, so hold on a second. Let's get a junk piece of metal. 5,000 pieces of metal. I should have grabbed one. Okay, folks. This is not for the faint-hearted. Well, my first impression is the same as some other people. It's a great idea. Moves around. I'd probably have to put it in the vise and play around with it. But yeah, I think the files need to be a lot better. Other than that, it comes with this fancy set of files. And I guess if you're doing something, fabulous and don't want to use your hands, you would use one of these. But other than that, can't go wrong. $15. It was like a little tool haul. So anyway, that's the first thing I got. Even though I'll probably cut some of the dead air out of here. That's the first gizmo. I also picked up, what are these called? Elevator screws. Anybody ever see elevator screws? I've heard of them, but I've never seen them until I went to Lowe's looking for feet. These are like, I don't know, $1.50 or something. Yeah, something like that. About $1 each. It's for a little shelf up on a building. I bought these ones because you can put those little pads on it easier, and they seem like they're pretty easy to, what do you call it? Yeah, easy to work with one screw. I also picked up, I don't know if you can see this, set of cap screws. I'm fixing one of my kids' toys. I always get extra. These things are notoriously impossible to take off. So I got that. Anyway, I'm going to end it here, and I'm going to make another. I don't want a 20-minute video. So I'm going to end it and make this one short, because I like doing little short videos. So enjoy, and thanks for watching.